Hello listener. In our previous method of linear equation in two variables, two introductions videos I think you have seen. Okay, and today we are going to discuss graphical method of finding solution of a pair of linear equations. Okay, yeah, we are using graphical method for finding a solutions because as you know that whenever you are using graph or linear equation, it will give you straight line. Whenever you are using pair, two straight line will be there. Okay, then and we discuss about three possibilities. Either it will intersect, either it will not intersect, it will give you parallel line, otherwise it will coincide with each other. And with the help of graphical method, we will find solution. Okay, we will find solution. Just take an example. Okay, just take one example. Okay, L1. Okay, L1 this means line 1, x minus 2y is equal to 0. L2 linear equation 2 or line 2, you can say at 3x plus 4y is equal to 0. Okay, last solution. Okay. Okay, L1 represent x minus 2y equal to, and L2 represent 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Okay, 20. Let's solve L1 first. Okay, what is your L1? X minus 2y is equal to 0. Let's take where x equal to 0. Just substitute 0 minus 2y is equal to 0. Okay, what is your y? Y equal to 0 by 2 means y is equal to 0 only. Okay, y is equal to 0. Next, what value you can take? Where one value you will get as x is 0, y is 0 means what coordinate? 0 comma 0. Let's take second where x is equal to 2. Let's take x equal to 2. Substitute 2 minus 2y is equal to 0. Okay, 2 minus, so what you will do? 2 is equal to 2y. 2 by 2 is equal to y. So what you will get? Y is equal to 1. Okay, when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Take x is equal to 3. Okay, try to avoid fractions. Okay, how much possible you can avoid fractions, it is better for you. Okay, it is better for you. Just draw the, okay, just what, draw the table of x and y coordinate. X, this is your y. What is your x? When you are taking x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Means what points you are getting? You are getting 0 comma 0 and 2 comma 1 are points in L1 or points in L1. Okay, just take L2. What is your L2? 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. Okay, let's take where x is equal to 0. 3 into 0, 0 plus 4y equal to 20. Y is equal to 20 by 4, 5. So what is your y? Y is 5. Okay, this one is 1. Okay, take where x is equal to what value you will take? 4. Suppose if I am taking 3 is a 9. Just send 9, 20 minus 9, you will get 11. Okay, and y is equal to 11 by 4, you will get in fraction part. So better avoid fractions parts. Okay, better avoid fractions part. So substitute. Okay, 3 4s are 12 plus 4y is equal to 20. Okay, 4y 20 minus 12, y equal to 18 by 4. Okay, so 8. Okay, 4, 4 2s are 8. So y is 2. Y is 2. Just draw the table of x and y coordinate. When x is 0, y is 5. When x is 4, y is 2. Okay. After getting the tables, what coordinates you will get as 0, 5, 4, 2 are points of L2. Okay. Let's draw graph. Okay. For my remembering purpose, I once again return. For L1, 0, 0, 2, 1 coordinates you will get it. For L2, 0, 0, 4, 2. So what is the highest value is 4. So draw a graph. Better use graph papers and use your scale. Okay. I am using roughly graph. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 0. Okay. This one 0, 0 and 2, 1. Okay. 2, done. Draw a straight line. Okay. Draw a straight line. This is your L1. Okay. Go for L2. Okay. L2 same 0, 0. Okay. 0, 0. Next one is 4, 2. 4, 2. See here. Okay. This is 4, 2. Okay. 4, 2. It is not 0, 0. It is 0, 5. 0, 5. L2 is 0, 5. Next one is your 4, 2. Just join the straight line. Okay. Okay. This is your L2. Okay. Two lines intersect with each other. At what point it is intersecting? It is x-axis. This is your y-axis. These two lines intersecting at 4, 2. 4, 2. Intersecting with each other. Whenever you are drawing a graph, there is three possibilities we discuss. Either it will intersect, it will not intersect, or it will coincide. But here the lines are intersecting at what point? 4, 2. So this is your intersecting graph. Okay. It is intersecting graph. Okay. Intersecting graph. Okay. What is the common point at which it is intersecting? 4, 2 means L1 and L2 has one common solution, that is 4, 2. It is also called as common. Okay. Common solution. You are getting common solution or unique solution you will get from this graph. Okay. Such equations are known as this kind of equation is known as, consider, such equations are known as consistent. Okay, are known as consistent or independent pairs of linear. Such equations are called as consistent. Okay, consistent or independent. It is not dependent on each other. It is independent because it is having unique solution. Okay, unique solution. Okay, you are getting a unique solution, but it is intersecting at one point, that is called as common solution. Okay.